My brain won't burst. My brain won't burst. All right, guys. So what you see here is not difficult at all. Let me take you to my screen, guys. Boom. Now, what you see just happened is two frames. One frame here, okay, and then the other frame here. Now, the trick is this particular frame, right? All my elements, right, same element that are on this other frame to the right, okay, I dropped the opacity to 0%. Now I'm going to take it back to 100%. You see, before I dropped it to 0%, I displaced the position, right? I displaced positioning, right? I moved this right a little bit to the top, then I brought this down and then scale it down a little bit. Exactly what I did, guys. Now, after that, I was able to, I click on my frame. If you click on your parent's frame, you hit your enter key, it's going to automatically highlight every sub element on that parent frame. All right, now I'm going to change it to 0%. Okay, and then I click on my master frame, click on my prototype, and then send my wiring to the next frame, right? And then I make sure I use smart animate, and then I use ease out, and then I increase the transition speed to 120 1200 milliseconds, right? That's what I did. Then boom, you're good. Now I use on tap. You can choose to use after delay and set it to 0. Okay, so 1 millisecond. So immediately you reload, it just starts, right? Good, right? And for the smoke, guys, for the smoke, easy. I used micro components, right? I used I have a PNG, right? I go from PNG wings, right? Then I connected from here, right? Made it small here, made it big here, link it all together, and then we're good. So that way we have something like this. So over smoke, coffee, makes sense. And it's like I did this for Immense. So bye guys.